Good morning, parents and children. Hearty welcome to all of you. I hope you all are staying safe at home. Dear children, you have already learned how to write uppercase letters A to M. Write the first letter for the picture. Now, we are going to learn how to match the picture with the alphabet. Before going to start, first let's revise uppercase letters A to M with their pictures. A apple. A apple. B ball. B ball. C cat. C cat. D dog. D dog. E elephant. E elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G grapes. G grapes. H hut. H hut. I ice cream. I ice cream. J jug. J jug. K kite. K kite. L leaf. L leaf. M mango. M mango. Children, now we will learn how to match the picture with alphabet. Look at the screen. Here is the picture of fish. Now we have here two letters. Letter B, letter F. So now tell me, what is the first letter for the picture fish? Fish. F. So F. F is the first letter for the picture fish. Here we have two letters, letter B and letter F. So which letter will match or go with fish? Letter F. F for fish. Children, we will match fish and letter F through a line. We will draw one line from fish to letter F like this. Look children here. Here we have pictures and alphabets. Let's go to first picture, mango. Mango. First letter for the picture mango is M. Let's match mango with their letter M. Draw a line from mango to letter M, like this. Come to next picture. Kite. Kite. First letter for the picture kite is K. Let's match the picture kite with its first letter K. Like this. Draw a line from the picture kite to letter K. Children, look at the next picture. Dog. Dog. First letter for the picture dog is D. Let's match the picture of dog with its first letter D. The dog. Like this. Children, now we will do matching. Look here. Here are the pictures. And here are the alphabets. We will match the picture with their alphabet. Look at the first picture. This is the picture of cat. Cat belongs to which letter? Letter C. C ka cat. So we match both of them. Keep the pencil on picture C, on picture cat, and trace a line towards letter C, like this. C for cat. Now, next picture is of leaf. Keep the pencil on picture leaf. And leaf, leaf belongs to which alphabet? Which letter? Letter L. Yes. So we will match both of them. So keep the pencil on the picture L and trace a line or come towards letter L, like this. L for leaf. Now look at the next picture. Next picture is of hut. Hut. Hut belongs to letter H. So we will match both of them. Keep the pencil on picture hut and draw a line or trace a line towards letter H, like this. H for hut. Now come to next picture. Next picture is of mango. Mango. Mango belongs to which alphabet? Letter M. M for mango. So we will match both of them. Keep the pencil on picture mango and zoom a line towards letter M. M for mango. Now look at the next picture. Next picture is of grapes. 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 Grapes belongs to which letter? G. G. G for grapes. Keep the pencil on picture grapes and draw a line towards letter G. Match. G for grapes. Now we will go to next picture. Next picture is of fish. For fish. Fish. Fish belongs to which alphabet? F. Uppercase letter F. So we will match both of them. Keep the pencil on picture fish and draw a line towards letter F. Like this. F for fish. Now come to next picture. Next picture is of dog. Dog. Keep the dog. The dog belongs to letter D. D for dog. Keep the pencil on picture of dog. Now draw a line. Draw a line and zoom towards letter D. D for dog. Like this, children, we will do matching. Now, children, we will do matching. Okay, so look here. Here are the pictures and here are the alphabets. Now look at the first picture. This is the picture of apple. Apple belongs to which letter? Letter A. Apple belongs to letter A. Apple. So we will match apple with their alphabet. Now draw a line towards letter A. Now come to second picture. This is the picture of jug. Jug. And jug belongs to letter J. Jug. So keep your pencil on jug. Now come towards the letter J. Like this. Now see next picture. This is the picture of ice cream. Ice cream and ice cream belongs to which alphabet? Letter I. I for ice cream. So keep your pencil on picture I. Then we will zoom towards letter I. Let's go. I. Now come to next picture. This is the picture of ball. Ball. So ball belongs to which letter? Letter B. Now keep the pencil on picture ball. Let's go and match ball with letter B. Let's go. Like this. Now, children, look at the next picture. Next picture is of elephant. Elephant. Elephants belongs to which letter? E. Elephant. So, keep the pencil on elephant. Let's match elephant with their letter E. Now, we will go to next picture. Next picture is of kite. 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 And the letter which belongs to picture kite is K. So let's match the kite with their letter. Let's go. Like this. So children, like this we will do matching in our notebook. I request all the parents kindly give practice of written and oral A to M. Recognize the pictures, identify the letters, rhymes, conversation questions to children. Dear children, we will meet again in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, take care, bye-bye.